Click on the link below to get price. The PowerSmart PS5020W 2500W Inverter Generator is a remarkable solution for anyone in need of reliable portable power. This generator combines efficiency and safety features, making it a standout choice for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency backup during power outages. One of the most impressive aspects of the PS5020W is its fuel efficiency. It operates quietly while producing a steady 2,500 watts of power, ensuring that you can run essential appliances without disturbing the peace of your surroundings. This is particularly beneficial for outdoor activities where noise levels matter. The inverter technology ensures that the output is stable and safe for sensitive devices like laptops and smartphones, providing peace of mind while charging your electronics. The generator features a manual start, which may require a little effort but guarantees simplicity and reliability in various conditions. Users have noted that once started, the generator runs smoothly and efficiently. It comes equipped with a CO alarm, a crucial safety feature that monitors carbon monoxide levels, ensuring you're alerted should harmful gases reach dangerous levels. This makes the PS5020W an ideal choice for indoor use during emergencies or in poorly ventilated areas. Another noteworthy aspect is its portability. Weighing in at a manageable weight, the generator is easy to transport, thanks to its built-in handle. Its compact design means it won't take up much space, making it convenient for storage as well. On the downside, some users may find the manual start a bit challenging, especially in colder weather. However, with a bit of practice, most find it manageable. Additionally, while it performs well for most small appliances, larger devices may exceed its 2,500 watt capacity, so it's essential to plan accordingly. Overall, the PowerSmart PS5020W 2500W Inverter Generator is a top-tier choice for those seeking an efficient, reliable, and safe power source. Its combination of portability, safety features, and steady output makes it a worthy investment for anyone needing dependable electricity on the go.